Hello, planet Earth. I wish I could tell you this is still a planet, but I've come to realize you can't have a planet without people, and there are no people here. It's amazing how things can go so quickly from bad to total dog poop. And why are my dogs and I alive when everything else is turned to raw meat? It's because of my list of rules. Rule number 1 for surviving the zombie apocalypse is exercise. When the apocalypse started, the first to go, for obvious reasons, were the out-of-shape, overweight dogs. Poor, chubby puppy. When the affliction spread and the chaos grew, it wasn't enough just being in good shape. Your dog also had to know many more commands, and you'll use them a lot. Don't get stingy with your training, which leads me to second rule. Rule number 2, the stay. You want to make sure your dog has a rock-solid stay. If this dog really knew the stay command, she could have avoided becoming human puppy chow. It wasn't long before the zombies got clever. When a dog is at its most vulnerable, rule number 3, teach your dog the leave it command. As zombies began to outnumber humans, this is when you have to cut all emotional ties. If the kids in your neighborhood are dropping limbs, you need to focus on your dog's survival, which leads to rule number 4, drop it. You don't want your dog walking around eating little Tommy's left hand. Sit tight, this is going to be a bumpy ride, but with the right training, your dog can survive the zombie apocalypse. I know it's scary, but I'm going to help you through it. Go to zombieproofdogtraining.com.